Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate villagers. To begin, you'll need at least 2 adult villagers. They need specific conditions to breed, so setting up their environment correctly is key. Make sure there are enough beds for all villagers, plus 1 extra for the baby, with 2 blocks of clear space above each bed. Providing plenty of food is also crucial to encourage them to breed. Let's get started on creating your villager farm. Now, let's set up the breeding area. You'll want an enclosed space, ideally at least 3 by 3 blocks, to keep your villagers contained. Place at least 3 beds within this area, 1 for each existing villager and an additional 1 for the new baby. Remember, each bed needs 2 blocks of air directly above it to be valid. A bell can also help define the village and encourage villagers to interact within the space. Food is essential for breeding. Each villager needs to pick up at least 12 carrots, 12 potatoes, or 3 pieces of bread to become willing to breed. Simply throw these food items directly to them. When they are willing, you'll see green heart particles appear around them. Crucially, there must also be an unclaimed bed available within the village for the new baby villager to be born. Keep those food supplies coming. Once a baby villager is born, it will take approximately 20 minutes of real-world time for it to grow into an adult. You can then transport these new villagers to other areas using minecarts or boats, depending on your needs. As your villager population expands, remember to enlarge your breeding area and add more beds. By consistently providing food and available beds, you can maintain a steady and efficient villager breeding cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.